I've decided today is the day that my dog Jack needs a bath. There's been a lot of complaints from the staff here at Vet's Clinic that he's starting to smell a bit, and he really is quite pongy. I mean, he's getting a bit older now, he's probably about 10. He doesn't get bathed very often, so today is the day that he's going to be bathed, and I've got this fantastic looking new shampoo. It's ultra hygienic with antibacterial action, so hopefully that's going to clean him up, sort his skin out and make him a lot nicer smelling, so I get less complaints. Isn't that so? Jack looking a lot better and smelling a lot better, and me looking a lot wetter. So there you go, Jack. First bath in about a year.